Am I really here? Do I really exist? The same scenes, the same people.
Victims to vanity, like a spreading cancer. A distinctly human error.
Signal is stable. This frequency will continue to remain open.
Am I?
Feeling I've been left behind. Feeling I've been left behind. Feeling I've been left behind.
Am I?
Mr. Popper, what is my policy on ringing phones in the classroom?
Well, nothing worth doing in life is easy. And I have great faith in you, son. I know you can do it.
Thanks, Dad.
The bioelectric, thermal, and kinetic energies of the human body.
The once great human race.
Poor baby.
Race.
The clock's ticking.
All of this. You, me.
God.
Did you say something?
Neo, I believe. Free my mind. Free my mind. Free my mind.
Am I? Am I?
Well, he's in another world now. Make no mistake about that.
To convert is its choice to make.
It's their nature.
He cannot wake up. Do not let him wake up.
He's had a rough day.
I don't know, Dad. I don't know what to believe in anymore.
Neo. I knew you'd save me.
His vitals are good. He's gonna make it. It's unbelievable.